Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of this Magic John phone case that I purchased for my iPhone 16 Pro. They also make cases for other iPhone models all the way down to the iPhone 12 and also a few Samsung models, so check out their website for other models. So the packaging is kind of interesting. You got some astronauts here. You got one guy on the back just chilling. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so here we are, nicely packaged. I've got a little bit of foam padding there. Take that out. Okay, and the color that I got was the black model, but they also have a few other colors such as blue, they have a gray, a white, and I think also a desert titanium. So just check those out, pretty cool. So let's put this on the phone and see what it looks like. All right, so basically just snap it on just like that. Super easy to install. Nice clean design. Right off the bat, what I would like to point out is the camera here is nicely protected. They have a little bit of a raised edge. I think it's about a 2.5 millimeter raised edge. And they fill in all the gaps around the cameras too. I've seen other phones where it's totally wide open. So I like this model where they kind of fill it in. Okay, and then on the front here, they have a little bit of a raised edge as well. So it's about a 1.5 millimeter raised edge so that when the phone is on the surface like that, the screen doesn't touch anything. So it helps protect your screen that way, so really nice. Okay, now we'll take a quick look at the kickstand here. I used to have the iPhone XR with a Spigen case that had a kickstand, but this one is a much larger kickstand and much more versatile. You can turn this 360 degrees, and it's got a lot of adjustability as far as different angles. So you can have your phone sitting up like this to watch something on YouTube or TikTok, or you can have it like that. So they're really nice. Okay, and the other thing I'd like to point out is that this ring is MagSafe compatible. So if you have those battery packs that recharge phones, or if you have cell phone mounts in your vehicle, it'll attach to those nice and easy. I have one in my car that's got a wireless charger built into the car mount, and so I can put this in my vehicle and charge it, and it also holds the phone at the same time. So I really like that feature. Okay, then we'll take a look at the side here. So the buttons are very nice and responsive. Have a little bit of a raised edge here for good grip. You have some nice cutouts for the speakers and your charging port. I have a DJI mic adapter that fits into here, so when I'm doing content, I can plug in my microphone adapter to that, so no issues there. And then on this side here, we have a cutout for your camera button, and then another button for your power. I kind of like this button because when I found out that a lot of times when I'm picking up the phone, I was accidentally hitting that camera button and turning it on. And then whenever I put it into certain camera holders, the kinds that clamp, the clamps would press the button on me, so it was kind of annoying. So I kind of like having a little bit of a recessed camera button. But overall, this has been a great case. So if you're looking for something with lots of options, good protection, and a cool kickstand, check out this one made by Magic John.